Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Herin Electronics. I'm Swati and today we shall know about how a chip is made. From your high-speed processor to blazing trails of AI, these chips are heart of every technology. Chip is basically your integrated circuit on a small piece of semiconductor material, usually silicon. So, how is this chip made? What is its origin? What are the processes it undergoes? Let's see in this video. The whole journey of a chip can be said as journey of sand to silicon. Yes, the source of semiconductor in this chip, silicon, is found in sand. This silicon in sand is purified and made into a monocrystalline silicon ingot. This ingot is then cut into individual silicon discs called as wafers and polished until they have flawless mirror-smooth surfaces. These wafers undergoes photolithography where a specific pattern is imprinted on the disc and the hardened photoresist is exposed to UV light, making the determined pattern stay on the wafer. Then ion implantation takes place on the wafer, which embeds beneath the areas not covered by photoresist. After ion implantation, the photoresist is removed and the resulting wafer has a pattern of doped regions in which transistors will be formed. Chip is a house of billions of transistors where each transistor controls the flow of electrons in them. Formation of each transistor is done and an insulation layer will be poured on them, after which the wafers are put into a copper sulfate solution. This is called as electroplating and through which copper ions settle as a thin layer of copper on the wafer. After which the excess of metal is polished away to reveal the specific pattern of copper. Then, multiple metal layers are created to interconnect all the transistors on the chip in a specific configuration. These connections on how these should be determined and wired is determined by a group of architect and design teams of that chip. After this process comes the wafer sorting and singulation process, where the ready wafers is put through a test. The test patterns are fed into every single chip and the response from chip is monitored and compared with the right answer. Then, the wafer is cut into dies, and the dies that responded with the right answers will be packaged. These tested dies undergoes final class testing, where they are tested for their functionality, performance, and power, and based on its result of class testings, processors with equal capabilities are built together in trays and ready for shipment to the customers. So, this was the journey of a chip from sand to silicon. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Herin Electronics for great electronic stuff. Thank you.